Hi everyone, this is Mrs. T Chem Talk Teacher Tech. My name is Beth Tuminello, and I am going to show you a quick video or do a quick video about how I use Flipgrid to stay connected. This is especially good for use during a remote learning time where you aren't seeing your students physically, in person every day, but you'd like to have some sort of a connection besides just Google Meets and Zooms and online lessons. So if you could just take a second, if you don't mind, please like and click subscribe. I am making a series of teacher tech videos that I am trying to share with people what I learned during the remote learning that I did in the spring, and that you can hopefully use in some way in case you are in remote learning for this particular school year. And also, it's also something that you could hopefully integrate into your in-person learning. So this is going to be about Flipgrid, so I'm just going to get to Flipgrid. So now what I did, I went to Flipgrid and I've already signed in. And this is what I had already present. And the last time I did it was in April because I was using Flipgrid in the beginning when we were first going to remote learning. In my district, in my state, we went to remote learning starting in my district as of, I want to say, about March 13th or March 15th, somewhere around there. So for the first week or two, actually looks like about 3 weeks, I was doing regular Flipgrids to try to connect with my students. So what you can do, once you have your classes set up, you can click a grid. I'm going to add a new topic. And one of the things that I like to do is just have a topic or question of the week for everyone to be able to answer and try to keep getting to know each other. So for example, one of the topics could be, show me your pet. If you don't I don't know, I can't type, have a pet. Oh, sorry, that's why. Show me your pet. If you have a pet, let us meet him or her. If you do not have a pet, please share something with us that is school appropriate. I teach high school. I often have to say, let's be school appropriate. So I'm going to make my recording time. I like to make them shorter, but you can make them, you can make them all the way up to 10 minutes. So I usually do about the 45-second mark. And you can, if you'd like to, do video moderation, which means that if you click this button on, any video that a student shares will go to you privately before it's shared with the whole class. So that's up to you whether you want to do that. I am going to create a topic. Now I can share this directly to Google Classroom, directly to Remind, directly to Microsoft Teams, or I can embed that code in a website. There is also a way to share the QR code. We use Google Classroom, so I was either sharing it directly to Google Classroom or I was sharing it onto Remind. And now if I wanted to, if I add a topic focus, I can do this. I can put an emoji of a pet maybe dog. I'll put an emoji of a dog face, okay? And topic tip, I'm going to say, be creative, okay? So now I can update the topic and I can share it again if I want to. It'll now have that. I can record a response. I can move the topic. I can duplicate it. I can export the data. And when I go to record my response, notice what I was going to do is record my response about my plant. So this is, I don't have a pet, so I have a lot of plants, and this happens to be my plant, my succulent plant named Casey. So I would hit the record button. It would give me this screen. Hi everybody, it's Mrs. T. I don't have a pet, so I want to share with you my plant, one of my many plants, And this is Casey the succulent. Hope everybody's doing well, and that would be the end of that. So after I do that, if I pause, then I can go to next. I can review it if I want to. Hi everybody, it's Mrs. T. Or I can not review it. I can snap a selfie. That'll be the page that goes up, or if maybe I want to redo that selfie. Maybe I want to do this. Maybe that's a better one because that's me and my pet. And go to next. And now it might display all of that. And then as soon as I hit submit video, that video will show on the stream to the entire group or class members, whether you did it on Google Classroom or whether you did it on, on Remind or Microsoft Teams or whatever. I'm not going to submit the video because if I submit the video, my classes who are still in there will get a notification. So this was my quick video on staying connected using Flipgrid. I really liked it. You can post a weekly video or a daily video. I found that some of the students who would post on the Flipgrids were maybe different students than who were being engaged in other ways. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe. And I will be posting new content over the next week or two to try to help everybody prepare for the eventuality of or the possibility of remote learning as schools start up again. And so there will be more videos coming soon. Thank you very much.